How to edit a TikTok video after posting. Simply open your application, then simply tap on your profile and click on the video that you have posted and you are trying to edit. Tap on the video. Now to edit it, tap on the three horizontal dots. Now you will see the edit option all available just below the download section or rubric. If you want to download, tap on it. If you want to pin it, simply tap on pin. To create group, tap on it. If you want to change caption, tap on this. And you can also turn on and turn off the caption by toggling this icon on. And now cross it. Now to edit the playback speed, tap on the playback speed and you can easily customize it to 2x, 0.5x, or put it on normal. And finally, to edit the privacy setting, tap on it. From here, you can even make your video private, public, or only available to you only. If you want to allow reuse of content such as duet, stickers, and other can add to story, you can enable this. And if you want to disable comments at any time, simply tap on this toggle on and the comment will be turned off. And that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.